Hey boomers, I'm Brian Tong, a proud baby boomer. After turning 63, I realized that retirement is dead ahead, and I'm not ready to stop earning and collect Social Security. I don't want to have to live on Uncle Sam's check. I want to stay relevant, healthy, and keep making money. Young folks say, okay, boomer, like it's a joke. But I think being a boomer is the best thing ever. We have college degrees, years of experience, spending money, lots of life left to live, and bucket lists to fill. So click the link below and join my channel or group, or subscribe to my blog post, and let's take this ride into the sunset together. Click the bell to get notifications when a new blog is posted. Also, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. You will love Jeff's story and his revolutionary money-making plans for the digital economy. Click the link to check it out. So now let's talk about home security. Technology has made some amazing advances in the area of home security. Gone are the days when having anything other than a simple deadbolt on your front door was prohibitively expensive for most of us. Not anymore. We have some amazing lock systems. They're all the rage. What better than to eliminate keys by having a combination lock on your front door? I love ours. Just make sure you keep the batteries fresh. So here's one from August Wi-Fi that is a smart lock system that works with your existing deadbolt and can be installed in minutes. It's in the smart lock fits inside your door, making the regular deadbolt smarter, more secure, and way more convenient. And you keep your keys just in case, but you won't need them. You have an app. Forget key copying. Quickly and easily share permanent, scheduled, or temporary access to your home with friends, family, and other people that you trust, and never have to put a key under the doormat again. There's a link for that system here in the blog. So there's one called Rook 5-in-1 Smart Lock System that's a little less money, and it allows fingerprint access. There's also a digital keypad. You can access it through your phone, an IC card, or keys. This is a little less money, and it's also just as smart. Smonet makes another one that will recognize your fingerprint in just under 0.5 seconds and unlock your door in 1 second. It's faster than fumbling for your keys, and it supports Wi-Fi connectivity and remote control. The Wi-Fi gateway is sold separately. It's a safe, quality, solid, intuitive OLED display with zinc alloy batteries. Long battery life, takes 4 AA's, can provide 6 months worth of opening. It's a pretty neat system, and there's a link to it here in my blog. So what about security systems besides just the lock? You can get some incredible security systems with cameras and with remote access, so you can watch what's going on in your house on your phone. We like to see what our dogs are doing when we're on vacation, and the dog sitter is there. There's one right here that I put in the blog called Blink Outdoor. It's a wireless battery-powered security system camera that helps you monitor your home day and night with infrared night vision. Long-lasting battery life, which runs for up to 2 years. You store video clips and photos in the cloud with the subscription plan and save events locally to the sync module. It's a pretty cool system. The link to it is right here in my blog. You know, if you buy one of these things through my blog, through accessing these links, you're not going to pay any more than you would if you went to Amazon directly and found it. I'm just kind of helping you find this stuff. And old Jeff Bezos will pay me a couple of trinkets out of his profit. So it won't cost you any more, and the richest man in the world will get just a little less because he'll have to share a speck of his profit with me. Ring makes another good system that's Alexa compatible for the same price. Check it out. I put a link here in the thing. It has an alarm kit. It's easy to set up by plugging in your base station, connecting to the Wi-Fi with the Ring app, and placing your sensors in the ideal locations. It's a really good system. We've been using one for years. And if you want something inexpensive that just covers your front door, there's one by ABN that's only $40 that has a video camera that sets outside your front door that videos all around. It's got motion detectors and Wi-Fi, night vision modes, and a silent alarm, all for $40. So there's all kinds of stuff available on the interweb to protect your house and home. I've put some of the highest rated ones here in the blog. Take advantage of this if any of this interests you, and keep your home safe. That's it for now, boomers. I'll see you on the next time. Brian Tong, boomerlife.net, out. See ya.